Hello, I'm Desiree Gonzalez, and this is Chile Chile. And today I'm going to show you an expansion project for this company. So first of all, who are we? We're a Mexican company dedicated to the sale of gummies, snacks for 3 years now, and has a distribution scope throughout the Mexican Republic. We manage our sales in two types, online distribution and with vending machines. The company was created in Monterrey and focuses on providing moments of joy and flavor. The brand's market target is focused on a youthful identity with a particular emphasis of fun and happy personalities. Our mission is to offer the best quality sweets to the market and price free of preservatives. Our vision is to position ourselves as the most important company worldwide, national and international, with the sale of sweets, taking the home of our consumers the way they are. Like I said, this is an expansion project, so here's our new market. Iceland. Iceland is considered as one of the best countries to which we can take our product, since there is a high demand for it, since most of it is a new market and has a large consumption of sweets. Our sales model through cafeterias, supermarkets, and other points of sales, for which two types of distribution channels are going to be used. For retailers, we're going to use retailers for commercial sales, since the candy is processed, and later it is taken to the sign points of sales, and that is when the consumer can buy them. Then we have the business sales, and we're going to use the direct sales, since once the candy process is finished, it is taken to these wholesale companies, and the sales are the largest quantities. Moving on to transportation. Because it is a low-weight product, we're going to use air transport so that our product reaches its destination as quickly and safely as possible. The shipment will arrive directly at the airport in Iceland. From there, the land transport will be used, where the product will be taken to all local distribution points. Also, we're selecting FTL so we can have our merchandise on time. For these, it is really important to have a unique and really safe packaging. So we design our product with a unique and eye-catching design, which also helps our product remain in the best conditions and can conserve all of these nutrients. Next, we have the quality, and we have the best quality nationwide, since we look for a product to be the purest and nutritionally possible. That's why we avoid the use of chemicals and preservatives. And lastly, the presentation. We want all the benefits it offers our product can be perceived. So it is that why we choose a vacuum container so that our product stays fresh with all these nutrients for a longer time, and it is the benefits of our product. Continue with the sales. We're gonna have bi-monthly goals that will be applied to meet the semester goals and annual, starting within 1 ton. It's approx 2,000 units of sweets at a price of 260 Mexican pesos, which equals 50 euros, which would be approx 700,000 pesos monthly. So 360,000 in a way bi-monthly. Depending on the segment of the seller, the budget will vary, since they are presentation more expensive, making it larger, and therefore the fee is also. So, which is estimated to increase over time. So our price in Mexico is of 260 pesos. However, we have to add the cost of export, and this will increase to 260 to be able to cover them, which will be 50 euros, which keep us below the competition, since the average is 20. And to begin with, like I said, we're going to have bi-monthly goals. But also, not everything is really positive. We can have risk. For example, local competition, logistics and transportation, preferences and tastes of market, currency fluctuations, climate change, and sustainability. All of these has an impact on our projects, because it assesses the potential financial impact of each risks on the profitability of the operation and growth prospects, and also The effects on the market penetration, customer satisfaction, and bad reputation. So all of these are risks that we are showing up to. But here are some mitigation strategies we can use. For example, for political factors, we can stay updated on political developments, engage in government and affairs, and establish relationships with local trade organizations. These are identify the target markets to mitigate risk associated with changes and trade policies. And for cultural factors, conduct market research to understand the local food culture and preferences. Adapt product offering, branding, and packaging to align with Icelandic cultural values. Engage in partnerships with local distribution or retailers who have a deep understanding of the market. But what's going on between Mexico and Iceland? So within the framework of participation in the World Economic Forum, the Secretary of the Economy of Mexico signed a joint declaration on the revision of the free trade agreement between Mexico and the members countries of the European Free Trade Association, Iceland, Norway, Liechtenstein, and Switzerland. That modernization of the FTA aims to update the treaty to the new conditions of the global economy, emphasizing trade facilitation, sustainable development, regulatory coherence, cooperation in energy matters, and the promotion of small and medium-sized companies. The Secretary of State for the Economy of the Swiss Confederation, Gabriel, signed as a counterparty of the agreement. So all of this, of course, it's a benefit for us. This is gonna facilitate that communication and, of course, the development of our project. So that is it. See you in Iceland. Thank you so much.